Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to create workflows in ServiceNow. I'm excited to guide you through this process. The focus of this presentation is on building efficient, automated workflows that can streamline your work. We'll cover the key steps involved, best practices, and some real-world examples. Let's get started and see how ServiceNow can help you improve your workflow management. Let's take a closer look at what a workflow in ServiceNow really is. Essentially, it's a visual map of a business process that shows how different tasks and activities are connected. What makes it powerful is its ability to automate these multi-step activities, such as approvals, notifications, and assigning tasks. And the best part, it does all of this without requiring manual effort each time. This automation helps us work more efficiently, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. It also ensures that our business operations are consistent, no matter who is involved. So, in the bigger picture, workflows are a key tool for streamlining processes and making our work smoother and more reliable. Let's talk about workflow basics. Workflows are essentially flowchart-style visualizations of business processes. They help us see how different tasks connect and flow from one to another. Using workflows, we can automate common tasks like approvals, notifications, and updates to records, which saves time and reduces manual effort. In ServiceNow, you create these workflows using the Workflow Editor, a user-friendly tool that makes designing processes straightforward. Workflows can include multiple activities, such as approvals where someone needs to sign off, conditions that determine the path the process takes, and timers that introduce delays or deadlines. The key idea is that workflows help streamline complex processes, making operations more efficient and consistent. This ties into our overall goal of automating routine tasks, so your team can focus on higher value work. All right, let's walk through creating a new workflow. First, navigate to Workflow and then select Workflow Editor. Once you're there, you'll see the option to click on New Workflow. This is where we start building from scratch. Next, you'll want to give your workflow a meaningful name and choose the relevant table, like incident or change request, depending on what you're working on. After entering these details, click Submit to create a blank workflow canvas. From there, you'll see a visual workspace, the canvas, where you can drag and drop different activities such as start, approval, notification, and more. This drag and drop approach makes designing your workflow intuitive and flexible. It's all about visually mapping out the process, making it easier to understand and customize as needed. Let's take a closer look at adding workflow activities. First, we have the start point, which essentially defines the entry into your workflow. Think of it as the starting line where everything begins. Next is approval. This step involves sending approval requests to users or groups, which is crucial for maintaining control and ensuring the right people are making decisions at the right time. Then, there's notification. Automated emails or messages are sent during this stage to keep everyone informed and engaged without manual intervention. Finally, we have the condition step. This is where things get dynamic. Based on specific criteria, the workflow determines which path to follow next. It's like setting up decision points that make your process more flexible and responsive. Connecting all these activities helps you build a clear, automated flow that keeps things moving smoothly from start to finish. Let's take a closer look at the key workflow components that drive automation and efficiency. First up are conditions. These are essential because they allow us to define logical decisions within our workflows, like if-else paths, which help tailor the process based on specific criteria. It's like setting rules that guide the flow dynamically. Next, we have approvals. Automating approval steps with managers or designated groups ensures that the right people review and sign off without delays. This not only speeds things up, but also keeps everything transparent and accountable. Then there are notifications. These are triggered to inform stakeholders at the right moments, making sure everyone stays in the loop without manual follow-up. It's about keeping communications seamless and proactive. Timers are another vital component. They allow us to delay or schedule actions within the workflow, ensuring tasks happen at the right time, whether it's a brief pause or a scheduled event, adding flexibility and precision. Finally, tasks are automatically assigned responsibilities, which helps distribute workload efficiently and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. All these components work together to create a smooth, automated process that aligns with our overall goal of streamlining operations and improving productivity. All right, now that we've built our workflow, the next crucial step is to validate it. Simply click the Validate button to check for any errors or issues. This helps ensure everything is set up correctly before moving forward. Once validation passes smoothly, you'll want to publish the workflow to make it active and operational within your system. Just hit the Publish button and it's ready to go. But don't stop there. Testing is key. Create a record on the associated table to see the workflow in action. Keep an eye on the process by monitoring the workflow context to confirm that everything executes successfully. This step confirms that your workflow not only works in theory, but also performs well in practice, which is essential for reliable automation. Remember, validating, publishing, and testing are the final steps to ensure your workflow is fully functional and ready to support your business processes. Now, let's talk about workflows in ServiceNow and how they can truly transform your business processes. Essentially, workflows are designed to streamline tasks by automating repetitive and time-consuming steps, which helps save time and reduce errors. They come equipped with features like approvals, conditions, and notifications. Approvals ensure that the right people sign off at the right time. Conditions allow workflows to adapt based on specific criteria, and notifications keep everyone informed throughout the process. All of these elements work together to ensure tasks are executed efficiently and consistently, which is crucial for maintaining quality and compliance. Mastering how to create and manage these workflows is really essential for ServiceNow administrators and developers because it empowers them to tailor processes to their organization's unique needs. By doing so, they can optimize operations and support overall digital transformation initiatives. And remember, this is all part of a broader theme, using ServiceNow to automate and streamline your business. So, becoming proficient in workflows is a key step in unlocking the platform's full potential. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. I really appreciate the opportunity to share these insights with you. Remember, the key points we've covered highlight the importance of understanding the core concepts and applying them effectively. As we've seen, connecting these ideas to the bigger picture can make a real difference in achieving success. If you take away anything, let it be the value of continuous learning and staying engaged with these concepts. Again, thank you for being such an attentive audience. I look forward to seeing how you apply what we've discussed.